Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on and off the notifications on the Glovo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the notifications section and click on it. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings, and here at this page you should allow Glovo to access your notifications by clicking on the notifications icon. Now tap on allow notifications, so the notifications from this application have been turned on. If you want to turn them off, you have to repeat these steps, and you should click on this same button in order to turn them off. So now the notifications have been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.